to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. Please feel free to be a part of this platform because you are going to learn a lot. All right, so in today's video, as you can see, I have some tomatoes. Okay, I have some tomatoes and I have bell pepper. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make tomato paste, okay, without any preservative, and you can store it and be using it for weeks without refrigerator, all right, or freezer. Let's get started. It's ready, so I'm going to be adding some water to help our blender. Cook our tomatoes. When I was growing up, this is how we used to preserve our tomatoes without freezer. Okay, my mother will buy a basket of tomatoes for Christmas, and then we will blend it like this with peppers, takashi, and then we will preserve it. And I'm going to be taking you step by step. Right now, we are going to start cooking, and we are not in a hurry. Leave it open so that the steam will not be trapped inside. Okay, we want it to evaporate, okay, and reduce, so no covering. All right, it has started to bubble. Okay, I'm cooking it on a high heat right now. Later I will reduce it when it might have reduced and started splashing. All right, look at it. We're going to allow it to reduce until it's dried up. Look at our tomatoes now. It's reducing, as you can see. Okay, we still have a little short time to go, so I'm going to allow it to reduce very well. Okay, by the time I come back again, it will be ready. Okay, at this point you can adjust the heat because it will start splashing. All right, welcome back. Finally, look at what we have. The stove is still on, but in the lowest. Look at our tomato paste. No preservative added. Okay, look at that. Look at that. No artificial color. No color added. Just tomatoes and bell peppers. It's already a paste. Okay, I said before, by the time I come back again, it will be ready, and it is ready. All right, it is ready. The next thing is to transfer it in a container where we will preserve it. All right. Up with vegetable oil, then you put it in a cool place in an airtight container like this. Okay, but if you have your freezer, fridge, you can put it there, but then we used to put it like this in a cool place, okay, without freezer, and it will last very long. So look at it, look at that. No water, properly dried up, okay, and it will help it last without spoiling. At least 3 weeks, okay, to retain the freshness and the taste. Today we prepared homemade tomato paste, okay, the one that you can store in your home without freezer or refrigerator for at least 3 weeks. All right, now we've come to the end of this video. Please share it, comment. I'll be seeing you once again